Okay friends, to get started on our driver's side rear outside door handle, we're just going to come right in between this area with a little pry tool. As I start to separate this, you can see where one of the push pins is. Go ahead and grab onto that, pop it off of there. Down along the bottom, you're going to find another one. And then of course as we go, you'll find some more. Go ahead and pop them all off. There we are. Now let's just grab onto this vapor barrier. We're going to be careful not to rip it. We just want to get behind it. Now that the vapor barrier is out of the way, we have a clear view of the inside where our latch is going to be. You're going to notice that you have two rods going to it. We want to go ahead and pop those clips so that the rods come off of it, and then you're going to remove all four of the mounting nuts. I'm just going to use a nice curved pick like this. I'm going to grab onto this ear. Carefully just pull it off of there. At this point I can grab onto that rod. We'll do the same to the other one. Let's give this a little wiggle. There it is. Just going to try to get this past this little hook. There it is, friends. Okay, friends, now it's time to install our brand new door handle. Let's go ahead and put this side in first, right up along here, and then we're going to twist this so that it can make it past this edge right here. Okay. This should slide right in now. Go ahead and start in all those nuts, and then we'll snug them up. Once those are all tight, let's go ahead and pop open our clips, and then we'll get our rods ready. Just go ahead and slide them so they're in there. You really shouldn't have to pull up or down on them in any way. Go ahead and lock them in. And do the same to the other one as well. So let's say you tried your latch before you put it back together, and you happen to notice that the bottom latch unlatched, but the upper latch didn't. That would tell you that this rod on the back side there needs to be adjusted. Essentially, just go ahead and pop this, pull that rod just a little bit further, go ahead and lock it in and retry it. The same would be said if it was the lower side that wasn't working properly. You would just do this one. Okay, after my readjustment, let's go ahead and test it. The latches work perfect. Let's continue putting it back together. Let's put on this weather barrier here. Let's go ahead and get this on here. Just make sure it's situated the whole way around. Perfect. Let's give it another test. Perfect.